Monday, the 25th of August, in our Florida trip, we went to Busch Gardens at Tampa. About an hour's drive, which was fine. Sadly, when we got there, it was raining, as you can see in the video, where we actually invested in ponchos. It did brighten up for a while, where we was hopeful, but it didn't last, and then the rain became steady and consistent, so we curtailed the visit and went home. But what we did do, we enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy the bit of video that we did film. So now, today is Busch Gardens. Where we had to buy ponchos because of the rain. As you can see, how lovely I look. And she looks lovely too. But we're all good. They come through that way. Penguins sheltering from the rain. Would you believe? Bit of topiary. The sun's out, they've all come down to show off. I think they're testing the rides now. Seems to be drying up nicely. Santa has returned to the North Pole. See you next year. I ain't got a clue.
That goes in a minute.
I don't know where it goes. I know we went on it last time, but I don't know where it went. She'll be able to squeeze on it. Yeah.
There is no eating over, you know, something which is easy to make. There's also no alcohol beverages. Parents and guardians everywhere. That's okay. And a bit of that, which is like those artists talking about are also known as Tommy. They do not have any water in their habitat because they get all the water they need from their diet.
Yes.
Employment and around Cardigan and more. Don't be afraid to pay them a visit. On the right, this large white building is the Serengeti Express, which is our sushi restaurant. It has a speaker, keyboard kitchen, and vertical elevator that takes you up to 7 feet near the stage of paying with a date visitors. It's also a chair and the posters, which means visible forward, that was 16 around and around and around, so these walls will try down. Across the track, please remain clear at all times and keep our body parts inside the train. We will have some any pretty in the video of the building and see if we can find all of them.
Ah, pero que estoy viendo gratis.
They can see all around them. Way up to their head. They can also see in colors as like chili. You can see that we are in a yellow tray, and once again, I need you guys to please remain seated at all times. This is for your safety. Now on the left, you can hold it. Which they were born, you are eating an antelope.
This way.
Now, if you guys look on your left, you should see the rain come across you have it walking over. This is a white one. This is a female. Now, once again, if you guys still see remain, you should not be standing over to your feet. Now, on the left, these track animals are the brand females. We call the smallest of the species. And only moving their circle around their belly and legs. And those animals are the greater kudu. They are raised by animals. You understand this belt in the card. If you already passed number 8, so please leave the card to your card. If not, you will have to pay $5. Now over to the left, if you move over closer, it's called Senior Friday. It's just like Corpus Christi, it is a family Sunday culture, but it was not go upside down.
Look at that twat. They clearly said no head-ons. No head-on, they said.
The big blowout.
So here we are. Been here 2.5 hours and everything is still shut because of the rain. So calling it a day, I think, and heading for the exit. As you saw in Sri Lanka though. Look at that. There we've got what looks like an island is actually a tortoise. Just sat there doing nothing. I saw the camera. That's it.
You just moved.
Nice setting for everything, but the weather has destroyed it. You go to Barbados, you get them real.
Right?
I said, if you go to Barbados, you get them real coming up to you.
Which serves many purposes, including sustaining friendships or calming others individuals. Expressions and gestures are exceptionally important communication tools for chimpanzees.
So it doesn't